Manscaped doesn't only do physical products like this, but also lotions and body washes. And this is their body wash. It has the same beautiful award-winning scent formula that they use all over their products. And it does smell something like a little bit of a cedar wood, pine wood, sandalwood. It's really, really nice, refreshing, and kind of almost minty fresh, right? This pump is a really nice pump, actually. It's plastic. It looks metallic, but it is a plastic pump. The only con that I have to tell you guys is that the pump doesn't come back as quickly as I wanted to, so I can do those multiple pumps. If you go all the way down, it will take about 30 seconds to come all the way back up. For most guys, for most people, let's be honest, one pump is enough because this thing lathers quickly and really, really fully. So for a perfect clean, for feeling incredibly refreshed when you come out of the shower, I'm a huge fan of this body wash by Manscaped.